Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password on ClickUp. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your ClickUp account's password, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in clickup.com and make a search. Make sure that you're logged into your account, or else log into your account using your email address and password associated with your ClickUp account and tap on Login. You will end up on the home page of ClickUp. Click on your profile name at the top left corner of the screen and tap on Settings. Scroll all the way down and tap on My Settings option. Here, under Password, edit and enter a new password for your ClickUp account that you would like to change. After entering a new password for your account, tap on Save Changes. Enter your current password to save changes and click on Confirm Password. Tap on Show option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can change your password on ClickUp account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.